So now let's copy a file to our S3 bucket. What file? Let me do ls on my local, and we have example.png. We'll copy that over to our favorite photos bucket. So AWS S3, CP for copy, and then the file name you want to use, example.png, space, and then the location you want to send it to. So source, destination. We want to send it to our S3. Remember S3:///, then the bucket name. And our bucket name will be Mark Fave Photos again. Sorry for the long name. And then /photos, / that's it. If you're in the previous lesson, you can hit the up arrow a couple of times and get to listing the contents of that photo. If not, just type in what you see here. And now we should see the example.png at the bottom, and there it is. That's how you upload files to S3 buckets.